Have you ever wondered how some gardeners have paradise gardens full of tomatoes, while others only get a few fruits? What is their secret? You might think it's about expensive fertilizers or special types of plants, but no. Today I'm revealing something completely unexpected, a simple, yet powerful solution that can turn your tomato harvest around. And no, we're not talking about something expensive or rare. This trick is used by experienced gardeners, but few know about its full potential. Stay with me until the end, because that's when we reveal the secret recipe that will turn your plants into real tomato-bearing machines. But before we go, dear friends, subscribe to our channel and press the bell. Leave us a heart in the comments as a sign of support. Thank you very much. So let's go to our video. Tomatoes are a wonderful plant, but they require attention. If you don't give them the right care, the fruits can remain small, the plants weakened, and the taste far from perfect. An improper soil pH, too acidic or too basic, can spell the end of your harvest. But what if I told you that there is one ingredient that regulates the pH, strengthens the plant and helps it bear more fruit? It is not a chemical preparation, it is something you already have in your kitchen. This is one of the oldest tricks in gardening, but many people ignore it because it sounds too simple to be true. But believe me, once you try it, you will not want to plant tomatoes without it. And now the moment of truth. The secret to a bountiful tomato harvest lies in baking soda. To give your tomatoes strength and make their fruits sweeter and juicier, do the following. Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with 1 liter of water. Water the plants with this liquid once every 10 days. Baking soda reduces soil acidity, prevents fungus and encourages vigorous growth. Results: less disease, healthier leaves and tomatoes that grow like crazy. Try it and let me know in the comments, have you used this trick before, and send this video to all your friends. Thank you.